Are you looking in the mirror and seeing a stranger looking back at you? The reflection shows sagging skin. You feel your knees pop, crack, and grind with every single step you take. It feels like you are breaking. You might suffer from thinning hair, brittle nails, or digestion that is constantly upset. These are warning signs. This is not just bad luck. It is a total structural failure of your body. You are literally falling apart. Your body is held together by a special protein glue that is drying up fast. The structure is collapsing. Imagine one simple, tasteless white powder that acts as the ultimate refill for this glue. It repairs everything. This powder rebuilds your skin from the inside, smoothing out deep wrinkles and fine lines. It is a facelift in a cup. It acts like a cushion for your joints, stopping the bone-on-bone grinding that causes chronic pain. It silences the pops. This natural secret is scientifically proven to patch holes in your gut lining and stop inflammation. The healing is real. It is the most abundant protein in the human body, yet modern diets have almost zero of it. We are starving for it. We'll expose the crucial difference between the cheap stuff and the hydrolyzed form you must buy. Get the absorbed form. If you ignore this protein deficiency, you risk frail bones, papery skin, and severe joint immobility. The risk is high. We'll reveal the exact dosage you need, and the one vitamin you must take with it. Use the perfect stack. Don't skip the final warning about the specific source of this powder to avoid heavy metal toxins. Check the label. Stay tuned to master the ultimate secret to reversing physical aging and rebuilding your body. Your repair starts now. The miraculous white powder we are revealing today, the literal glue that holds your entire body together, is hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, making up 30% of your total protein mass. It is the primary building block of your skin, muscles, bones, tendons, ligaments, and even your blood vessels and eyes. Think of collagen as the steel framework of a skyscraper. It gives your body its structure, strength, and elasticity. However, there is a major problem. Your body stops producing collagen efficiently as you age. Starting in your mid-20s, you lose about 1% of your collagen every single year. By the time you are 50, your body is producing far less collagen than it is losing, leading to the visible signs of aging. This decline is why your skin starts to sag and wrinkle. The steel framework underneath is collapsing. It is why your joints start to hurt. The cartilage cushion that separates your bones is wearing thin. It is why your bones become brittle. The flexible matrix that holds the minerals is disappearing. But you can fight back by supplementing with hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Hydrolyzed means the large collagen protein has been broken down into tiny, easy-to-digest chains called peptides. Unlike eating a steak, which is hard to digest, these peptides dissolve instantly in liquid and are rapidly absorbed into your bloodstream. Once absorbed, they travel to your skin, joints, and bones, signaling your body to start rebuilding the lost tissue. Let's talk about the massive benefits for your skin, hair, and nails. Clinical studies have shown that taking collagen daily significantly increases skin elasticity and hydration within just 8 weeks. It thickens the dermis layer, pushing out wrinkles from the inside and giving the skin a plumper, more youthful appearance. It also provides the amino acids needed to build keratin, which stops your nails from peeling and makes your hair grow thicker and stronger. Now, let's address the crippling issue of joint pain and osteoarthritis. Your joints are protected by cartilage, a rubbery tissue made largely of collagen. As you age and lose collagen, this cartilage wears away, leading to the agonizing bone-on-bone friction of arthritis. Supplementing with collagen acts like an internal lubricant and rebuilder for this tissue. Athletes and seniors who take collagen report significantly less joint pain, improved flexibility, and faster recovery from injuries. It is essentially greasing the grooves of your body, allowing you to move without stiffness or pain. The benefits for your gut health are equally profound and often overlooked. Collagen is rich in a specific amino acid called glycine, which is anti-inflammatory and essential for gut repair. Glycine helps seal the lining of the digestive tract, making collagen the ultimate cure for leaky gut syndrome. By patching the holes in your gut, you stop toxins from leaking into your bloodstream, which reduces systemic inflammation and autoimmune reactions. Collagen also supports your bone density. Your bones are not just calcium. They are a matrix of collagen reinforced with minerals. Without collagen, bones become brittle and shatter easily, like dry chalk. Wheat collagen, they are strong and flexible, like bamboo. Taking collagen helps preserve this matrix, making it a powerful defense against osteoporosis. Now, we must discuss the different types of collagen, because not all powders are the same. Type 1 and Type 3 collagen are found mostly in your skin, hair, nails, and bones. These are best for beauty and anti-aging. Type 2 collagen is found mostly in cartilage and joints. This is best for pain relief and arthritis. Most high-quality multi-collagen powders contain a blend of types I, 2, 3, V, and X to give you the full spectrum of benefits. To make this powder truly effective, you must follow the vitamin C rule. Your body cannot build new collagen without vitamin C. It is the essential cofactor for the enzymes that link the collagen fibers together. If you take collagen without enough vitamin C, you are just eating expensive protein. Always take your collagen with a squeeze of lemon juice, a vitamin C supplement, or a piece of fruit to ensure it actually works. The typical therapeutic dosage is between 10 grams to 20 grams of collagen peptides per day. This usually equates to 1 or 2 scoops of powder. Because it is tasteless and dissolves easily, you can mix it into your morning coffee, tea, smoothie, or even soup. It is heat stable, so putting it in hot coffee does not destroy its benefits, making it the easiest supplement to add to your routine. We must address the final warning regarding the source of the collagen. Collagen is made from the hides, bones, and scales of animals, cows, chickens, or fish. Because it comes from animal tissue, bioaccumulation of toxins is a real concern. You must look for grass-fed, pasture-raised bovine collagen or wild-caught marine collagen. Avoid collagen from factory-farmed animals, as it may contain antibiotics, hormones, and heavy metals that can harm your health. Always check for third-party testing on the label to ensure the product is clean and pure. For vegans, be aware that there is no such thing as plant collagen. Plants do not make collagen. Vegan collagen boosters are simply blends of vitamins that support your body's own production, but they do not provide the raw building blocks like animal collagen does. By adding this simple white powder to your diet, you are refilling the tank that age has depleted. You are smoothing your skin, silencing your creaky joints, and sealing your gut lining with the highest quality repair material available. This affordable daily ritual is your ultimate insurance policy against the structural decay of aging. We have now armed you with the exact knowledge to safely leverage this structural superprotein. Now, tell us in the comments below, do you prefer putting collagen in your coffee or your smoothie? We want to hear your routine. If this video revealed the simple cure for someone struggling with wrinkles or knee pain, please share it immediately with them. You could be giving them a new lease on life. And finally, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. You don't want to miss our next video where we expose the top 3 surprising foods that are secretly causing your hair loss and aging. Thank you for prioritizing your health, rebuild your body, and reclaim your youth. We will see you next time with more breakthrough natural remedies.